What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are doing a video on the 3W floor mats for the Model Y Juniper. I've already installed a set on my Rivian R1S, and I'll tell you, I'm very impressed with not only the fit, but the quality. They 3D scan these things so that the fitment is not going to be an issue. So in this video, we're going to check out what it looks like on the Juniper, and I'm very excited, so let's get going. I've laid it out to where they are going to be installed. So we have the frunk area there. We got the front row, back row, second row, the back seats, and the trunk area. At first I was like, what is that? And I know exactly where that goes now. So let's take a close look at the designs of these. So they all have the 3W logo on it. Looks pretty nice. And these front ones have the Y on there. Check that out. And it's textured. Everything is textured. And check this out. Towards the back, underneath the seat itself, is this part. And it's a compartment. So you can hide stuff here if you like. It has raised walls, so you can store things there underneath your seat. But yeah, that's pretty neat. The second row has the Y, letter Y on there as well. They got the canals. So this thing has VigorMold, and it's industry first one-piece aluminum pedal design with innovative VigorMold technology. The aluminum pedal construction delivers exceptional load-bearing strength, significantly enhancing the mat's anti-deformation performance while maintaining ultra-high flexibility for perfect contour fit installation. It achieves dramatically improved wear resistance for long-term durability. I like the sound of that. Engineered to retain structural integrity and premium quality consistency. Floor mats built for decades. Now, if you look underneath, they do have spikes on here to keep it in place, so there's very minimal movement or zero movement while it is on the floor of your vehicle. It's nice. It's all one piece mold, so that they're not glued on. All right, fits pretty nice. Let's go in there and check it out. Check out the edges. Check out the pedal area. I like this. It's a little different. There's actually a color there, not just black. And there is this additional storage area right underneath your seat and towards the back of the floor mats. Has a pretty good fit. All right, this is the passenger side. Check out the edges. Looks pretty good. And this also has additional like storage area underneath your seat. But check out the fitment. There in the corner. Look at that, it's nice. Right up here. All right. So far, so good. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is this back row. Now, you're gonna notice that it also has coverage all the way underneath each of the front seats. And we'll take a look at that as soon as we get this in place. Those spikes are actually working. So have to lift it up a little bit to position it. All right, here is the second row, the back row. Check it out. Goes all the way underneath the front seats. Check out the edges. Not bad. Even comes all the way here in the middle underneath the screen. Very nice. I like the design with the canals and everything. And the Y. I wonder if the Model 3 ones come with the number 3 on them. But fitment is good so far. Looks nice. Those spikes actually do work because it was catching onto the floor while I was putting that on. So, but all I gotta do is lift it up, lift up the area and push in more. But yeah. So the Model Y 5-seater has this additional storage compartment right here, right behind the second row seats. And with 3W's set, it actually does come with something you can put there. I've never seen these before, except in the 3W set package. And it fits really good right there. Never really seen it there before, but yeah, I like the design as well. That's awesome. All right, and they have a liner for the sub trunk. Ooh. These also have spikes under them. There you go. But yeah, look at that fit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the panels back, the floor panels for the trunk. And they have a liner for this area as well. All right, so this back liner is one piece, one big piece, and there is a little folding area here because when you lift this up, it folds. So it's not gonna lift up or anything. There's also spikes underneath. And when you lift this part of the trunk, yeah, it folds easily. It's a little different design than the other ones that I've checked out, but that works as well. Let's go ahead and check out the fitment. Fits nicely. What do you guys think? So this one is a little bit thicker and heavier than ones that I've seen in the past. Y is right here. There is texture on here to prevent or improve like slippage. All right, next we have the back seat protectors. Now these cover those hooks that the tether, those things right there. It is covered, but if you flip it over, you can cut them out right here if you need access to them. So, and this has the cutout for you to open that middle part, but yeah, below it it's covered, but you can cut it out if you need to. But that's cool. It's covered. All right, so behind these are Velcro also to attach to this felt material. So you can easily adjust its position however you want. So do we want to put this under or over? Wow, it's in there. It's stuck in there. I like that. Hold on. I think we're gonna tuck this guy underneath. That's how I want it. Yeah, you wanna, what I would do is get it from the bottom and lift this part up and start from the bottom. That's what I would do to get it all lined up. This one's a little more difficult because that Velcro is really sticking on there. All right, let's check it out. So one thing you can do is actually tuck this in. I started doing it on that side, so we're gonna go ahead and do it all the way across. You're gonna have to adjust this part a little bit and move it up more. Really good. But again, yeah, they do cover that area. So if you need access to it, there are little templates behind on the other side to show you how to cut it. So you could easily cut it. But let's go ahead and open that part up, the middle seat, see what that looks like. There you go. Okay. And then finally, we have the frunk liner. Nothing else about it. There's no spikes on there because it's all in the plastic. Don't need the spikes for it. But I like the fitment on this. This is a really good fitment. Has access to the drain plug. Really nice. Well, let's go sit here. Check it out. What do I think about it? I like it. There's a lot of clearance underneath the pedals. I like this part right here with the that silver color. It's a little different. Is it too bright? I mean, with one pedal driving, I don't realize it until now. With one pedal driving, my foot is like probably positioned here, so you're gonna be covering it mostly. But yeah, anti-slippage. Look at that. Like, it's not moving. It's in place. So that's good. The walls are pretty high. If you spill liquid, you're good. The canals, I like the little canal designs. So, but let's go check out the passenger side. I don't sit here often, but yeah, it's cool. Don't know what to tell you. I mean, floor mats are floor mats. Functionality wise, I mean, I'm not gonna worry about it. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do and ensure that the liquids is really what I'm concerned about, because Abby allows the kids to bring food and drinks in the car. So that's really what I'm concerned about, is the liquid. So I'm not gonna be worried about liquid spilling because the walls are really high on these things. The rear is cool. It's one piece. You don't have to worry about clamping it on each floor panel. So that's the design differently. When you open this to get to the sub trunk, I guess you could push it all the way down so it stays in place. So what happens there is it folds down there, right? Can you see it? Yeah. So that's what you need to do if you need to gain access to the sub trunk. And then bring this back down. Okay. Let's close it. See if that goes well. Okay. Fitment in the rear. Very nice. Goes all the way in there, underneath the front row seats. I really like it. So check out the video description for all of the product links, discount codes, and all that. Thank you 3W for sending it out and letting me try it out. So if you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And make sure you check out 3W. I'll see you on the next one. White tea. Ooh.